Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy yourself the Shiryo Inu on your Trust wallet. For starters, this coin or this token is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So in order to perform transactions, you would definitely need some Ethereum. So please make sure you have Ethereum. And we can proceed. The next step is to simply scroll down till you get to its about, where you have its Ethereum address. You simply click on this copy here, minimize your browser, open up Trust Wallet. Like I said, make sure you have Ethereum. Head over to the browser section, which is right here at the bottom of the screen. Click on Uniswap interface or scroll down and click on Uniswap. Once there, make sure your wallet is connected by simply clicking on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. So once you've clicked on this, you click on this power menu here. You can either click it to connect or click it to disconnect. Works the same way. And then you click on Shib Dodge and paste the contract address we just copied, which is for Shiryo Inu. Click on Shiryo Inu, click on I understand. And now we're going to be going with 0.001, that's $1.82 worth of Ethereum in exchange for 3 million or 378 million of the Shiryo Inu. And it's $4 for its gas fee. So with that, that's making it about $5 to $6. All right, guys. Your next step is going to be clicking on swap here. In place of insufficient Ethereum balance, you T-swap. So you simply click on swap, confirm swap, and your transaction is completed, and the Shiryo Inu is deposited directly in your Trust wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.